Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. If you like watching a hillbilly work on RVs, and by golly, you are in the right place. We're going to be talking about air conditioners today. Roof airs on RVs. If your roof air just doesn't seem like it can keep up anymore, it works, but it just doesn't work as well as it used to. There's a few things you can look at. I just recently did a video where the evaporator coils up in the air conditioner were dirty and had air leaks. That's definitely two things to look at. Another thing you really need to look at is make sure that your condenser coil doesn't look like this one. You know, this thing needs to have airflow. As you can tell, that it probably doesn't have as good an airflow as it should, because these fins are bent over and they're super fragile. I mean, you can just basically touch them and they're going to bend over like that. Now most modern RV air conditioners, this will be a grill here, so that hopefully this won't happen. But a lot of you probably still have air conditioners that have the condenser coil is all open back here. So how do we fix this? Well, it's pretty simple. It's called a comb, probably a condenser comb or something like that. You can probably tell which one has been used the most over the years. Old snaggle tooth there. And it's pretty simple. You just comb these fins back out. You get this, there's where I touched it there just now. Kind of get that thing going in there and just comb it out, just like you were combing hair. Like I say, it's a comb, just like you were combing your hair. It just straighten, instead of straightening hair out, you're straightening those little aluminum fins out. Now it's never going to be perfect again. Just because it won't be, and it's time consuming. You know, to go all the way across these, each and every one of these. I mean, this does like 6 or 8 rows at a time, but you can see it does take a little effort and it would take a little time, but we could definitely get these fins combed out, and you know, this thing would flow a lot more air. Does that make sense? So yeah, just another thing that you can look at when you are looking at your air conditioner, and maybe you can diagnose it yourself, or maybe you will see, I don't know, I expect you can buy these combs a lot of different places. Like I said, this one does a lot of different sizes, but I've used that one the most because that's what size these fins here are. It's the spacing. As you can see, I could keep going and it would look a whole lot better. Not perfect, but better. Give you a couple little angles of it here. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep combing, and when I get done, it'll look pretty good. So y'all look pretty good. Get down in there in the comment section, leave me a comment, a criticism, a concern. Let me know how you would do this. And I have in the past taken a little screwdriver. If you really got a lot of time to kill, just take you, like this is a big one, but it's got a small tip. Take your pocket screwdriver and start combing them out. You will be there for a while, but yeah, there's really no special equipment required to do this job. And there again, it would be a lot better when you get done than all smashed shut and with no airflow. So that's all I got. Y'all have a great day. We'll catch you next time.